you are standing beside a peaceful pond on a quiet afternoon. The water is calm. People are relaxed. Some are smiling. Some are patiently waiting. At first glance, nothing seems dangerous. It looks like a simple fishing trip. But this picture is not really about fishing. It is a powerful visual explanation of how the stock market works. The pond represents the stock market itself. Every investor is trying to catch something valuable, just as every fisherman hopes to catch a fish. The fish symbolize investment opportunities. Some fish are large, some are small, some are easy to catch, and some are impossible to find. Every person standing around the pond has the same goal, to leave with more than they started with. On the left side of the image, we see a young investor holding a fishing rod with confidence. A bucket beside him is labeled, Investor. This immediately tells us that he represents anyone who decides to invest money in stocks. It could be a college student investing their first paycheck, a young professional saving for retirement, or even someone planning for their family's future. Every investor enters the market hoping that their money will grow over time. Notice the text that says, Investors buy stocks. That is exactly where every investment journey begins. When you buy a stock, you are not simply purchasing a number on a screen. You are buying a tiny piece of ownership in a real business. If you buy shares of a successful company, you become one of its shareholders. As the company grows, your investment may grow as well. Now look toward the center of the picture. The words, stock market, are written across the water. This is the heart of the illustration. The water connects everyone. Every investor participates in the same marketplace. Some people enter with experience. Others are complete beginners. Some have millions of dollars to invest, while others start with just a few $100s. The market welcomes everyone, but it does not guarantee success for anyone. Swimming beneath the surface are several fish of different sizes. These fish represent stocks. Not every stock is equal. Some companies grow rapidly and reward investors for many years. Others struggle and lose value. Some remain stable for decades, while others disappear completely. Investors spend countless hours researching businesses because choosing the right fish makes all the difference. Above the pond stands a modern building displaying two digital screens. One screen says, Company earnings strong, with a bright green upward chart. The other says, Market news uncertainty, with a red downward trend. These two signs explain one of the biggest forces driving stock prices. Strong company earnings usually increase investor confidence. When a company sells more products, earns higher profits, launches successful innovations, or expands into new markets, investors often become more optimistic. Increased demand for the stock can push its price higher. On the other hand, uncertainty creates fear. Economic slowdowns, inflation, rising interest rates, political instability, disappointing financial reports, or unexpected global events can cause investors to become cautious. When fear spreads, many investors sell, causing prices to decline. This is why stock prices constantly move. They are not controlled by luck alone. They respond to information. Every earnings report, every economic announcement, every new product launch, and every major news story influences investor expectations. Now look carefully at the investor sitting on the bench to the right. He appears calm and patient. The caption near him says, Some make profit. This investor represents people who understand an important lesson. Investing is often about patience rather than speed. Successful investors rarely expect to become wealthy overnight. Instead, they focus on buying quality companies and allowing time to work in their favor. They understand that businesses need years, not days, to grow. While daily price changes can be dramatic, long-term business growth is what creates lasting wealth. Patience is one of the greatest advantages in investing. Many of history's most successful investors built enormous wealth simply by holding excellent businesses for many years instead of constantly buying and selling. Now compare him with the investor in the lower right corner. His expression is worried. He looks frustrated as he watches his fishing line. The caption says, "Some face losses." This is an equally important part of investing. Not every decision works out. Sometimes investors buy companies that fail to grow. Sometimes they invest during periods of market excitement and pay prices that are far too high. Sometimes unexpected events hurt entire industries. Even experienced investors make mistakes. Losses are a normal part of investing. They do not automatically mean someone is a bad investor. What matters is how investors respond to setbacks. Emotional decisions often make losses even worse. Fear causes many people to sell at the worst possible moment, locking in losses that might have recovered over time. This illustration reminds us that the stock market rewards discipline, not emotion. At the bottom of the image, another message explains why prices move. Prices go up and down depending on company performance, news, and economy. This simple sentence summarizes one of the most important concepts in finance. Stock prices are influenced by three major factors. First is company performance. Businesses that increase revenue, improve profits, expand market share, reduce debt, and innovate successfully generally attract investors. Strong businesses often become more valuable over time. Second is news. News spreads information faster than ever before. Product launches, leadership changes, legal challenges, technological breakthroughs, acquisitions, and government decisions can all affect investor expectations. Sometimes prices react within seconds of important announcements. Third is the overall economy. The economy affects nearly every business. During periods of economic growth, consumers usually spend more money, businesses expand, and corporate profits often improve. During recessions, spending slows, unemployment may rise, and companies face greater challenges. Because these factors are constantly changing, stock prices never remain completely still. One of the most important lessons hidden inside this picture is that every investor is looking at the same pond, but not everyone sees the same opportunity. Some investors search for large, established companies with stable earnings. Others prefer fast-growing technology businesses. Some focus on dividend-paying companies that provide regular income. Others look for undervalued businesses that the market may have overlooked. Everyone is fishing in the same market, but everyone has a different strategy. The fishing rods themselves also symbolize something meaningful. A fishing rod requires skill, patience, and proper timing. You cannot simply throw the line into the water and expect immediate success. Investing works the same way. Successful investing requires research. You need to understand the business. You need to evaluate financial statements. You need to understand competition. You need to think about future growth. The better your preparation, the greater your chances of making intelligent investment decisions. The calm water also teaches another lesson. Markets often appear peaceful before major changes occur. Periods of low volatility can create confidence. Investors may believe prices will continue rising forever. History repeatedly shows that markets move in cycles. Bull markets eventually slow. Bear markets eventually recover. Economic expansions are followed by contractions. Nothing moves in one direction forever. Understanding these cycles helps investors remain calm during both good times and difficult times. Notice that nobody in the picture is guaranteed success. Everyone is trying. Everyone is participating. But each person experiences a different outcome. That is exactly how financial markets operate. The stock market is not a machine that distributes equal results. Two investors can buy different companies on the same day and experience completely different returns years later. Investment success depends on decisions, discipline, risk management, and time. Risk is another concept hidden inside this illustration. Fishing always involves uncertainty. You may catch a large fish. You may catch a small fish. You may catch nothing at all. Investing carries similar uncertainty. Higher potential rewards usually come with higher risk. Lower risk investments generally offer lower expected returns. Every investor must decide how much risk they are comfortable accepting based on their financial goals, time horizon, and personal situation. Diversification is another lesson that this picture quietly suggests. There are many fish in the pond. A smart investor does not rely on catching only one fish. Instead, they spread their investments across multiple companies, industries, and sometimes even different countries. Diversification cannot eliminate risk, but it can reduce the impact of one poor investment on an entire portfolio. The image also reminds us that investing is a journey rather than a single event. Nobody arrives at the pond expecting instant success. People understand that fishing requires waiting. Similarly, building wealth usually requires years of consistent investing. Small investments made regularly can grow significantly through the power of compounding. Compounding allows investment returns to generate additional returns over time. The longer investments remain invested, the greater this effect can become. Another interesting detail is that the investors are focused on their own fishing lines. They are not watching everyone else. This is an important lesson. Many investors become distracted by social media, financial television, or the latest market trends. They compare their results with others. They chase whatever investment is currently popular. Successful investing often requires ignoring the crowd and following a well-researched long-term plan instead. The digital signs in the background also remind us that information matters. Professional investors continuously monitor earnings reports, economic indicators, inflation data, interest rates, employment numbers, and industry developments. Information helps investors estimate future business performance. However, information alone is not enough. The ability to interpret that information correctly is what separates successful investors from emotional speculators. Perhaps the most valuable message in this illustration is balance. The picture shows optimism without guaranteeing success. It shows opportunity without hiding risk. It shows profits while acknowledging losses. That is exactly what investing really looks like. The stock market is neither a guaranteed path to wealth nor a guaranteed path to failure. It is a marketplace where knowledge, patience, discipline, and informed decision-making play an enormous role. For beginners, this image offers a simple but powerful way to understand investing. The pond is the market. The fish are investment opportunities. The fishing rods represent investment strategies. The investors represent all of us. The green screen represents positive business performance. The red screen represents uncertainty and risk. Some investors leave with profits. Others leave with losses. But everyone participates under the same market conditions. Ultimately, the picture teaches one timeless principle: successful investing is not about predicting every movement of the market. It is about consistently making thoughtful decisions, managing risk, staying patient through market ups and downs, and allowing quality investments the time they need to grow. Just like fishing, the stock market rewards preparation, discipline, and persistence far more often